course you've done it. Done, Miss Me. So today, I'm gonna unbox and reveal this really cool track and attack indoraptor. I've been waiting for this one. There's a Dino tracker, blue and beta right there. And over here, there's the indoraptor. Okay, and it's also attacking a dinosaur right over there. It's a new dinosaur. And here's the Stegosaurus and Sanatorinus on the left. And it also has some cool actions right here and right there. And also a tracking gear. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. And you can also scan this to the app. Alright, there we go. In comes the indoraptor, which, okay, is it stuck? Of course, it's strapped onto the feet. Alright, after that's done, let's also take that tracking gear right here. Ooh, that's a giant snap. And, well, there's instructions in here. So, here's the indoraptor. Now, the indoraptor was first seen in Fallen Kingdom. And the indoraptor here, it has a new paint scheme with all this shine of blue. Well, there's not much articulation. Well, the legs do move. They don't have these like ankle ones like the other indoraptor does. Also has these movable feet and a nice ball joint tail. The tail's pretty short and the end is pretty bendy to prevent people from getting hurt. Well, it's the obvious thing. Scan code, well, it's right on the tail. And also, look at these little spikes here. Right here, you can see the spikes, bendy spikes. And yeah, action feature. There's a button right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the button's right there. Press it and it actually glows his eyes. It has 3 sounds, which you probably think it had 2, but it actually has 3. Pretty much noticed it. If you move one of his arms, it makes a noise. So with this arm, so not only if you do that, it does a bite, also does a claw slash, which is awesome. You can just bite it and have lights. And can we not even appreciate the detail? This is like the only indoraptor that stands by itself without this tail. Pretty much basically why, because well, the feet have are a little weight and then it's not top heavy, so it's standing well. The tail, I mean, it's very like it's gonna slap someone. And the fingers looks like it's ready to attack. And here's the tracking gear, of course. Can't forget that. Has a really nice little camera on here. And this little edge, you wear it onto his face. Then there's a little switch, this little clever board. And the only way to make it secure is to connect this, and he's gonna look very awesome. And also, like, you can barely see the red. Let's try it. Yeah, the red is awesome. I mean, if you're playing this at like a dark place, it would actually light up its eyes. And also the speakers right here. There's speakers. Logo is on one of the feet. See here the feet, and well, let's not forget about the gold right here. The gold all the way over here. So this is what it looks like at track mode, and yeah, it's pretty much a awesome figure. So Also, what I don't like is that I hope it had more articulation on the legs. That's my only complaint. And also, there's only like 2. I hope there was a rotating waist like the Grappin' Growl Indoraptor had. And also that it would be painted toenails. Well, it's pretty understandable why, because it's black. And well, black toenails and stuff like that. But anyway, if you had some fun, leave a like, subscribe, get notifications. We're getting close to 200 subscribers. I haven't had the subscribers go up, so let's see if we can get to 200 subscribers before January ends. So stay tuned for more, and we'll see ya later. Bye-bye.